Hello friends, I'm going to use the space shuttle to go to planet Saturn. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Finally, I landed on planet Saturn. Here I am on my incredible voyage to space. I'm filming from Saturn. I've come to space to share some important fun facts and show you how Saturn looks like from within. Saturn is the second largest planet on the solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the lightest planet in the solar system because it's mostly made out of hydrogen and helium. Saturn is full of gas, liquid, and ammonia crystals. Saturn is unique because of its 7 rings. Saturn is named after the Roman god Saturnus. That is why Saturn is often called the god of justice. Saturn has 146 moons, but 4 of them are missing. There is no living being and lives there because the temperature is too cold to live in. On average, the temperature is minus 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, the wind in Saturn can reach up to 1,100 miles per hour, which is too strong for any living being to stand. Lastly, Saturn cannot be walked on because it's mostly made out of hydrogen and helium gas and poisonous ammonia. Here's what Saturn looks like. I'm going to take a selfie. What is the good things about space exploration? Here are some positive points. I learned how planets line up in order from the Sun. I learned that every planet is unique and different in a lot of ways, such as size, gravity, and the number of moons. I learned that Earth is the only planet that has oxygen, so people, animals, and plants can live in. I learned that Earth looks like a little fragile blue dot from space. I learned how fragile our Earth and we should do sustainable living practices so our Earth will be safe for the future generation. It's not all good though. Here are some negative points. The cost is very expensive to build a rocket, launch it, and to maintain it on space. The risk is very high because when it can explode at any unpredictable reasons and the astronauts can die. The benefit of space exploration cannot be directly felt, so it is better to use that money to find a way to save the Earth or help poor people. Using a space shuttle can be less expensive, but when faced with unforeseen situations such as landing in the wrong spot, it can destroy it immediately. Space exploration may also create space junk, which can cause disruptions in the future. Whilst I was on my adventure, I've been able to see how day and night happen for myself. Here's my guide to understand day and night. Saturn spins in axis and revolves around the Sun just like Earth. Day and night happens because planet spins on its axis while revolving around the Sun. When a planet completes a full circle spin, it is called a rotation. Rotation causes changes in light and darkness because the planet faces or moving away from the Sun. The changes in light and darkness is called day and night. When I was in the part of Saturn that faced the Sun, I experienced daytime, and just the opposite, I experienced nighttime. when the part of Saturn I was in did not face the sun. But one day in Saturn is only 10.7 hours, much shorter than on Earth. Fun facts about Saturn! Titanic was named after Saturn's moon, Titan. The largest moon that Saturn has is the Titan. Saturn is named after a Roman god who was also the father of Jupiter. Woohoo! I'm going back to Earth! Mission accomplished!